we want to look at this data set and consider what would happen if we change the largest value, which is a 15, to be 115. And so if we introduced an outlier into the data set, what effect would that have on the interquartile range, or IQR? Well, the IQR is a measure of spread that is not affected by outliers. And so we can have extreme observations that don't affect this value. And that's why it is useful as a measure of spread if you have very skewed data or data with outliers in it. To see that there is no effect, we could actually calculate the interquartile range for the original data set, and then again if we would change the value to 115. So for the original data set, we want to find the quartiles Q3 and Q1. We would start by finding the median. It'll be halfway between 6 and 7, so 6.5. That would chop the data into two pieces, and we would find the median of each of those pieces. So to find the Q1, the lower quartile, we'd average 2 and 3, so we'll get 2.5. To find the upper quartile, we'll average 10 and 12, which would give us an average of 11. So our interquartile range will be 11 minus 2.5, which is 8.5. Now let's think about changing the 15 to 115. So we'd have the data set 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 12, and 15. If we wanted to find the median, we would still get 6.5 in the middle of 6 and 7. We would still average 2 and 3 to get 2.5 for our Q1. We would still, this should be 115. We should still average 10 and 12 to get 11. And so what we will end up with is interquartile range for the new data set of 8.5. So changing the value of 15 to 115 does not have any effect on the interquartile range.